Swapping wires can fix an immediate fault, but it is usually only a temporary repair that does not address the underlying cause. When a wire swap restores function, inspect the entire circuit for the original failure mode before declaring the job complete. Look for insulation damage, corrosion at terminations, overheating discoloration, and signs of mechanical strain, because these indicate progressive failure rather than a one-time issue. If the swap simply moved the fault to a different segment, plan a permanent wire run to eliminate intermittent contact and reduce resistance losses. Use a continuity tester and a low resistance measurement to confirm the new run is sound, and pull conductors in new conduit or sheathed cable to provide proper protection and strain relief. When replacing wiring, match conductor size to the load and choose temperature-rated insulation appropriate to the environment to avoid future derating problems. Document the replaced run with clear labeling at both ends and record the reason for replacement so the next technician understands the history. The three most common mistakes are treating swaps as final fixes, ignoring connector and device defects, and skipping proper routing and support. Each leads to repeat calls and safety risk. If a swap becomes the default, schedule a full replacement run so the root cause is removed and reliability increases. When connectors and devices are not inspected, replace or clean terminations and tighten to specified torque to prevent high-resistance joints. If routing and support are poor, rerun the wiring using appropriate clips, conduit, or cable ties, and keep conductors away from heat sources to prevent abrasion and insulation breakdown. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like permanent wiring replacement. On our site, we host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange experiences, ask technical questions, and share recommendations so everyone can make better decisions.